morning. Who do we have here?
Amir, nice to meet you guys.
Taryn.
What are you guys doing today?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of an airplane.
Skydiving. Damn, that explains those super fancy suits you're wearing. Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
No, we just like to
Just visiting Colorado for the first time.
like
Colorado for the
making
first time?
interesting decisions. So.
Nice Sunday fun day type deal, huh?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Well, you guys look absolutely fantastic. Ready to rock and roll? Ready to do this?
Sir, let's go.
That's what I'm talking about. High fives.
Oh,
Let's go.
Alright! Pretty good, ready?
Yeah,
Alright. We're about to go up real high, come down real fast.
let's go.
Let's go! High five!
Woo! Oh, I got you, man. I got you.
I love doing high fives.
That's how we slow it down, all right? You gotta get to it, right? Guess what? Fine, man. Get it slow, skydiving, how you feeling?
The best fucking thing you could ever do. Holy shit, that was so awesome.
That sounds like it's something you probably do again?
Oh, let's go again right now.
That's what I'm talking about. Dude, you killed it. Thank you so much for jumping with us at Skydive Colorado Springs. Let's go. Woo!